Guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here, crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and there's a new feature. So when I went to earn, we can see now VVS, 132.43% APY. Now you can see I have some cash in there already. Now you can see the earnings potential, estimated, pretty cool. And you can add, deposit, or you can see it's right from the VVS Finance app. Now let's go back. Now this is in the crypto.com DeFi wallet. So if we open the app, the Kronos VVS Finance, we are going to go into the glitter mine, and we're going to see exactly. Now we can see it's the exact same information. So very convenient to just be in the DeFi wallet and see all your VVS Finance stuff. That's kind of cool. Plus, you can either withdraw or deposit directly from here. So that's kind of nice. Now, we do the same thing with CRO, but it's interesting they're migrating this into the DeFi wallet, so that's good. Now, CRO is up 7% the last day, 24% over the last week. Booyah! Now, if we keep that rate up, we're going to be back at $1 in no time at all. Can't wait to see that day. And Bitcoin still holding steady at about 38,000. So it looks good. Now, one other token that I wanted to cover is Tonic. It's up 25% in the last day. Now, I really wish I would have loaded up on this puppy, because look at this growth. I wasn't really sure after I was burned with VVS so badly. I wasn't sure what Tonic's going to do, but I think it looks pretty good. It's been out for a while, and you can see it's not quite where it used to be, but it went through its little dip, and this is right in the dip where I bought this minuscule little Tonic share. So I think I want to buy some more. What are you guys doing? It's pretty cool. All right, guys, now let's go check on my interest here. Oh, that's the VVS again. We already covered that. Let's look at the CRO. All right, we're at 2. So, keeping with I'm going to collect this and restake it so I can get that compound interest. All right. So by doing this, we increase the chance that we're going to do really well. All right, it's going to claim the rewards, claim the restake. That way the CRO that was just interest is going to get more interest. So money is making money, and that's what I want to see. So we can make that passive income. Yeah, there's Bitcoin over the last week. We're just kind of holding steady. No big major swings. Over the last month, we can see we're down quite a bit, but we're coming back. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, smash that like button. Thanks for watching.